Open up the box. Oh, it's upside down, but got instructions here. You gotta remove the seal, and then you open up the acid bottles, and you gotta let it go in there into the battery. Here's the instructions. Take off the seal, then you open up the acid, put that inside the battery and let it drain into the battery. Then you put the sealing caps on, and you gotta wait an hour before you can charge the battery. Alright, let's get started. Take the electrolyte out of the box. The instructions say to let it fill into the battery for 20 minutes. The seal here is what you're going to use to close up the battery here when it's filled up. So I'm going to take this off, get it ready. Each electrolyte bottle is sealed with a little aluminum seal. Now we're going to open this up. So when you open this up, you got to do it quick. Okay, the instructions, it looks like it's supposed to go this way. And you're going to have to carefully push it down one by one to get it to pierce. Got one. Okay. Just like that. Now it'll slowly drain into the battery and fill up the battery. You might have to come back because there will be a vacuum in some of these bottles. You'll just have to tap it like that to help it get into the battery. Oh wow, this is actually going in pretty quick. The electrolyte went in the battery really fast. The other batteries that I've set up in the past takes like 20 minutes for it to go in. But check it, everything's in. So we can take this off and put the caps on it and seal it up. And once you close it up, this isn't like those old batteries. You don't have to check and add water and all that stuff. You just leave it alone for the life of the battery. So this battery, these AGM batteries are truly maintenance free. Carefully picked up the bottles. You don't want to splash any of the sulfuric acid on you. And I can actually smell the sulfur. Pretty nasty. And just dispose of that in a trash can, somewhere safe, where little kids can't get to it or animals. And then you get the little cap things. You just push it in like this. Wow. Battery actually got warm from putting the electrolyte in there. I don't remember the other ones doing that. Now I'm going to get a voltmeter and make sure you got a voltage so we know it's working before we go ahead and charge it. See that? And from what I know, when these batteries are fully charged, they usually have a little over 13 volts. Correction, the instructions say to let the electrolyte soak in for 20 minutes before you charge it for the first time.